To control the Expand Vision 3T, you can use the remote control that's included. The power button allows you to power on or put the device in standby mode. By pressing the Teams button on the remote, you can join the next scheduled Teams meeting directly. During an ongoing call, mute the microphone by pressing the mute button. Parts of the device's LED ring will light up red to confirm that you're muted. To control the call itself, use the hook buttons on the remote. Press the hook off button to accept an incoming call, and press the hook on button to end an ongoing call. The directional buttons, OK button, and back button allow you to efficiently navigate through the on-screen menus. By pressing the cursor button, you will activate the mouse pointer on screen. You can deactivate it by pressing the button once more. Lastly, to control the volume of your device, you can use the plus and minus buttons.